Hello everyone! Today I'm going to explain what Keras 3 is, how to use it, and show you a basic model. First, what is Keras? Keras 3 is the latest version of Keras, an open source user-friendly API designed for building deep learning models. It is part of the TensorFlow ecosystem and aims to simplify model building without sacrificing flexibility. Keras 3 improves upon previous versions by offering better interoperability between machine learning frameworks and streamlining the development process for both beginners and advanced users. Now let's build a simple model using Keras. Install Keras 3 to get started. Installing Keras 3 using pip, assuming you already have Python installed, is easy to do. Just run this command. Now you have to set up your environment. Keras 3 integrates seamlessly with TensorFlow, but ensure you have TensorFlow installed by running this command. Now import libraries in your Python script. Start by importing Keras and other necessary libraries. Create a sequential model. Keras 3 is highly user-friendly, allowing you to stack layers one by one using a sequential model. The first layer has 64 neurons and a ReLU activation, and the second layer has 10 and a softmax activation. Now we'll compile this simple model, using an optimizer, loss function and metrics to track. Feel free to play around with these. For beginners, Keras provides easy access to datasets. Load the MNIST dataset, a common starting point for deep learning projects. Then you just have to normalize the train and test images by dividing them by 255. Now train the model using the dataset with just a single line of code. This will train the model for 5 epochs. And after training, evaluate the model's performance with test data. Now I'll go over some key tips and best practices. Start with a simple model. For beginners, the sequential API is easy to use. More complex models can be built as you grow comfortable. Keras 3 provides access to pre-trained models for transfer learning, saving time and resources. Use validation data during training to monitor overfitting and adjust epochs or regularization. And you can use Keras callbacks to optimize the model training process. Beginners often forget to normalize their data. For example, dividing pixel values by 255 for images. This can lead to poor model performance. Make sure to always pre-process your data before feeding it into the model. Training too long on a small dataset can lead to overfitting, where the model performs well on training data but poorly on unseen data. Use techniques like dropout layers and early stopping to avoid it. A common issue is not matching the input data shape with what the model expects. Pay close attention to input shapes when defining layers, especially in dense layers. Keras 3 is designed to work with multiple deep learning frameworks. The flexibility is invaluable for cross-platform projects. Experiment with TensorFlow and JAX backends to leverage their unique advantages. Use Keras Tuner for hyperparameter tuning, which automates the process of finding the optimal model architecture and parameters. This tool can save you hours of trial and error during model optimization.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.